Ciao! I'm Giuliana from Hardcore Italians and you're watching Cooking with G. But this episode is crazy because I finally got my Nonna Lina to be on an episode of Cooking with G with me. So this is my Nonna.
Hi, I'm Lina.
I have been bugging her to do this with me since we started Cooking with G, and finally she agreed to do one with me. She's a little camera shy, just a little bit. So what are we gonna be making today, Nonna?
Ditalini con le vongole e cannellini.
Yes, which is basically just pasta with clams and cannellini beans. It's a super easy meal, super healthy.
Even if it's left over, it's very good.
It's good leftover as well. Just a little background on my grandmother. She's actually, tell them where you're born and raised and everything. When did you come to America?
I'm Sicilian, 100%. I was born in Riese, Caltanissetta, il centro della Sicilia. I came over here when I was 17, 18.
If she ever joins us again, we're gonna do a lot of Sicilian things, which I feel like we don't see too much of online. You don't see too much of them cooking on the
dishes
TV.
that we're gonna make, you never seen online.
What makes this a Sicilian dish?
Because it's very simple and it's not expensive. So in Sicily, there's a lot of fish. A lot of clams, so the fish is not expensive. So you don't have to use a lot of fish, a lot of clams.
Yeah, it was just a little
taste.
There's pretty much just 3 ingredients, and let's show them to you guys right now. We're gonna have about 2 cans of cannellini beans, 2 cans of clams, and they were in water. You can use fresh clams, but today we're gonna be using the ones right in the can. It's as easy as that. We did save all the water and we put it in a separate bowl. Over here we have about 4 cloves of chopped garlic, and then we have about a pound of Ditalini pasta, but Nonna says that we probably only need half the box. And we also have some parsley from Nonna's garden just to dress up the dish at the very end. So since we are doing a Cooking with G, as you guys know at home, we always take the edge off with something. So I asked Nonna, what did you want to do to take the edge off? And she suggested
limoncello ghiacciato.
Yeah, so it's very, very chilled. It's literally like it's hard to hold. It's that cold. So, oh, that rhymed.
Salute.
Salute. How often do you have this? You feel more loose, Nonna? Nonna, do you like my shirt?
Bellissima. Wooden spoon survivor.
Yeah. As always, you guys can get the shirts that I'm wearing on hardcoreitalians.com. Their merch is incredible. They just came out with a new fall line, so definitely check them out. Are you ready to start cooking with G?
Yes, let's start cooking with G.
All right, cominciamo.
Cominciamo.
So the first thing that me and Nonna did was put a boiling pot of water on, and then we're also going to fry the garlic in this pot over here.
Just enough the garlic to infuse the oil with the flavor.
Next, we're gonna pour all the beans into this pot. So you're gonna put the lid right on it, and you wait. So right now, Nonna's just splitting the pound of pasta in half. This is my favorite kind of pasta. One of my favorites. What's your favorite kind of pasta, Nonna?
You like angel hair? I like angel.
I like angel hair, yeah. When I was little, me and Nonna used to watch cooking shows together, and this is so crazy that we finally get to do one together. How old was I when I wanted to watch with you?
About 7, 8.
Nonna would just look at me and she's like, are you sure you want to watch this?
Yeah, I used to love it. We would sit on the couch and watch it together.
So when the beans start to boil like this, you can put the clams right in there. Oh, it smells so good. So after you mix the clams with the cannellini beans, we're gonna take the clam juice and we're gonna pour it right in there with them as well. So while we were putting everything in this pot, the water started to boil, so it's ready for the pasta, which we're gonna put in right now. So we're gonna have the pasta in here for probably about like 5 minutes. Nonna says we want it al dente because we wanna put it with our concoction over here because it's still gonna cook. So we don't wanna fully cook the pasta because then it's not gonna be...
It's gonna be too mushy.
Yeah, we don't want it to be mushy. Once it comes to a full boil, you're gonna wanna take it off.
Yeah, leave the can with a little bits and pieces. And what I wanna do, I'm gonna put it like this and rinse it.
With the pasta water. Now, how come you do it with the pasta water and not just regular water?
Well, it's got the starch. We're gonna use the starch from the pasta.
I see.
So it comes a little creamy.
Definitely a Nonna hack. So the pasta's ready, and we're going to
take it with this and put it here. No, this is perfect.
Yeah.
See it? put a little water or less water, but this is supposed to be like a minestra, like when you eat minestra. That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
That was too easy.
Yeah, very easy.
Wow, it's so pretty. Buon appetito. This is amazing.
Wow.
This was so easy. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Cooking with G featuring my Nonna Lina. Be sure to press subscribe so you never miss another episode.
Ne vediamo a rire.
Ne vediamo
A rire.
a rire.
That's Sicilian, Riesano.
I am half Sicilian, so my Sicilian nonna's with me. We had to say it in Sicilian, but until next time.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Bella.